Welcome you back to another BNB video. Today we'll be discussing my favorite stock in the stock market right now, especially on the TSX. I'd say it's my favorite stock. I'd say it's my favorite stock in the whole stock market. That's why I have a 5-figure position, and that 5-figure position is 50,000 Canadian dollars. If you do not believe me, I did show and reveal my entire position in the last Good Food video I made. Link in the description below. I'll recommend you to watch the whole video because in that I do give out my the Q2 result, the earning result that came out, and what I do believe the company. And in my first video of Good Food, we do present the bullish and bearish factor of this company on the TSX. It's a meal kit delivery company, and we've seen some bad news come out lately, and also some great news come out. So let's get started with the bad news. The active subscriber went down. Unfortunately, it was somewhat expected. It went down from 319,000 active subscriber in Q2 to be expected, and now the CEO just revealed that the active subscriber for last quarter were 370,000. Very unfortunate. It was somewhat expected because the reopening, people going out, visiting, going many other places. People have been tied down to their houses, so they're not going to be staying in their houses as much as before. And if they're not staying in their houses, they're not going to order meal kit deliveries, because meal kit deliveries aren't just food that you can eat directly. You have to make it and wait for it. Like, you need to yourself make it. That's why we are seeing a maybe. That's the maybe case. Maybe it's because the food kit delivery is not good enough. It's not a good enough service. But let's be honest. They've been going for the past 4 years, and people are very satisfied with them. I personally own some Good Food products, and I'm not gonna lie, very delicious. I would recommend the services myself to anyone who is willing to get a meal kit services. There's a lot of options too. There's HelloFresh and IGA in Canada and where I live. So, and I've tried most of them just to see how Good Food was competing against them, and I did realize that Good Food had the freshest product. In the taste competition, it was somewhat on par. Let's be honest, it was on the same level, but I would say the Good Food products are the freshest product. I would say they really do present an easy way to cook. IGA, for example, when you order, they don't give you any recipes. HelloFresh do. So there's a lot of options, honestly, let's say, but Good Food is on another level with its presentation, its freshness, and everything. It beats all of its competition, and I believe that will be its key to success. Customer satisfaction is very high with the company, so that's what has been the bad news. And I've been saying it in a positive way because I am bullish on the company. But if you want to go yourself, look into the company. This is not financial advice, like I said. I'm not yet a financial advisor. I'm planning to become one soon. I need to do my university degree, then I could probably say I am a financial advisor. But for now, I am not a financial advisor. So now, if we move on to the good news, actually, my main if you watch my first two videos, my main bullish factor on the Good Food company was the fact that it can expand into other provinces, other countries. It will obviously take a long time for it to reach this expansion plan that I have for it. Like, especially going to the States, because right now it's just expanding in Canada and mostly in Quebec, and that's why it's a small market company, because it hasn't expanded yet. It's not a fully grown company, and that's what the risk you're taking, believing in that company. And that's why I personally believe a lot into this company. And the reason why I do believe, especially in this company, is because I missed out on Dollarama in 2010. Dollarama was worth $3, and now it's worth $50 to $60, and it gives a dividend. So you missed out a 1,600% gain within a decade with dividends. At some point, they did install dividends, so I missed out on the dividend growth and the growth of the company. Not to say I was a bit young. I wasn't at the age of investing in 2010. But like I said, it's a Canadian company that did show resonance, and I'm seeing the same business model, innovation, and everything within Good Food. That's why I believe these two companies are on par in the growth metrics. Right now, I do believe that Dollarama it has a market cap within the billions, over 40 to 30 billion dollars. Over that, I'm not exactly sure how much it is, but it's reaching an immense market cap, and that's why I also believe that Good Food can do the same. The good news, I haven't gotten into good news, I'm just giving out the bullish factors. The good news is that they're expanding in Montreal. They're opening up 3 facilities, which is insane, incredible. And one in Ottawa also. That's the one that I'm really excited about. It opening a facility in Ottawa will increase their active subscriber count in Ottawa, because they'll be able to market heavily into the area. They do have facilities because it's easier for them to deliver and have a better customer satisfaction, and they can probably start Good Food Wow over in Ottawa, which is the delivery that goes within a day. So you order it and you get the delivery within a day, within several hours. That it's like, it's better than Amazon, let's be honest, but it's only in Canada, unfortunately, because the Good Food, it's a new company, right? So you have to understand the fact that it will take time for them to grow. Also, Good Food is an amazing prospect on the TSX. Like I've been seeing a lot of growth articles on it, and I've been reading it, which are enhancing my bullish metrics on that. But let's be honest, Good Food does present a lot of growth opportunity for anyone that is interested in buying. You should look into the company's financial. The financials are very safe because the amount of debt they have is covered by their cash in hand. Not even they won't even need to sell anything to cover up their debt. The cash in hand they have is over the debt they have, so they're safely utilizing the debt they own, because we know that Warren Buffett and everybody who is familiar with debt, it's a really good way to grow your company. That will always help you, even if it has an interest rate. Let's be honest, it is a great way to grow a company. And Good Food, the management, so it shows the resilience of the management, that they are utilizing that metrics, or that asset they have very soundly and very safely. Especially, they're not in any risk of going bankrupt. The only risk we are seeing, and that's why the stock has been going down from its high of $14 right now, trading at $8. It's the fact that people are expecting a deceleration in growth because of the reopenings in the country, and that's why we saw the 2,000 active subscriber go down. But let's be honest, we can see HelloFresh in Europe growing very soundly and very effectively, so we can expect the same in Canada, because the markets there and here, like the population, the mentality and of everybody is the same. People want ease of access, and that's why Amazon has been growing so much. And for that reason, Good Food is going to grow immensely. That's my bullish case. Then I would recommend you to watch any bearish case scenario on that company if you to have a good sound opinion of that company. I've tried to look at many bearish factors, and I haven't seen one that really resonates with me personally. So that's why I would recommend you to do your own research, your own due diligence. That's why investing is not easy, because right now we're seeing people just invest a lot of money in cryptos and having immense gain without doing any research. But over time, that's not going to be the case, and a lot of those people, those same people, are going to lose money because of their confidence in negligence. So they neglected doing research on the company, and that will later on cost them to, unfortunately, lose money. I hope not. Let's hope that they do not lose money and they start getting into that mentality of educating themselves. But let's be honest, over time, if you do not educate yourself on investments or investing, you will most likely lose money. So thanks for watching. This video was made in one shot. And I would recommend you to subscribe to the channel to get the most sound and good advice as possible. Thank you very much.